my side. Okay, let's go ahead and roll with me. You're not gonna fall. Okay, go ahead and take a deep breath in for me. And all the way up. Relax. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get your L4, L5 in that side joint, okay?